Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to create this type of masking letter type poster. So let's get it started. First of all, we create our project file, go to social media and Instagram post. Then select our photo. Previously I select my photo, that's why I go to upload and select my photo. My photo is this. One thing that your photo will be 4:5 ratio. Okay, resize this photo in our canvas. Go to type text, add a heading, write R, then resize this text. It will be 300. Change this font. It make Anton font. Go to effect, outline. Outline will be white and text color will be black. Then resize this photo, duplicate this letter, then again duplicate this letter. Okay, R U, type U, type N. Okay, then go to element, select shape, make it color black and expand it over this canvas. Okay, go to share and download. Now add another page. Again select this photo and upload this photo. Now click apps, then write blend. Click this image blend, then select this photo first, use selected image, then select second one, then use selected image, then make it screen. Now our photo is ready. Click add to design. Okay, click here and copy this and add new page. Here paste this and set image as background. Download this. Here your photo is ready to use. Thanks for watching and take care yourself.